Spending money like it's going out of style. Just bought this 1998 Hitachi 230. Just got it home. Needs a little bit of work. 2 boom cylinders leak, bucket cylinder leaks, but pins are pretty tight. Undercarriage a little bit short. Came with 3 buckets, digging bucket, cleanup bucket, and then a bucket that they put a hitch in so it acts like a crane. It's a little bit dirty, but starts really nice. Very quiet actually. A little bit worn on the pedals. Quite a few hours on the old girl. Teeth need to get replaced on the bucket. This is definitely a TLC machine, but it's gonna get the job done. It's got a hydraulic quick coupler, so I can quickly change buckets. Can even use the buckets backwards. So that's nice. Got a mechanical thumb on it as well, so that's nice. Go and put it beside my old 1967 Allison Chalmers grader. Got some work for this thing to do. There it is. Hopefully I got a couple jobs lined up for it. See if people still want it done. Took me a while to find an excavator that I wanted. But that's it.